He's like, I just need... He's like, I just needed time to rest. I'll get it. Look at... Oh, shit. Fucking red, dude. That is great. Get it, red. He's like, fuck you. I got your ass. Look at him. He looks like a gymnast. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that hurts. That is awesome. Hanging from the ceiling, buddy. Oh, wow. That's great. Whoa, my stomach hurts. Atta boy. Good job, Red. Yeah. Dude, he looks like a gymnast, doesn't he? The way he's spinning around. Atta boy, get it.
Dave's outside, so just give him a minute. He is. Oh my gosh.
That's fucking great. You know, buddy, I think 2.5 inches is probably enough for videoing, but